5 a.m. Flight leaves in only 12 hours. Probably not gonna sleep much more today. Morning. Been up for like 4 hours already. 3-mile walk. Obviously no shower. Got the little fruit smoothie thing going on this morning. Got to live healthy so I can ruin it all in Las Vegas. Got the little packing thing done. Can I see? Can we do the suitcase? Look, yeah, look, all my club wear. Got my little black dress and everything, so I'm ready to roll. Woo! I just love when people do these little with themselves on the video. So I never do that. So here I am. Ooh, look at how shaky this is too. So, dang, I don't know. Well, we'll use some of this, but yeah. So 8 hours, just about 8 hours till my flight leaves. Woo! Is everybody dizzy yet? Anyway, I'm gonna finish this up, get a little shower thing going on, get cleaned up so I look pretty. And wow, so been a long wait for this trip. Not that long, really, let's be honest. So next stop, I suppose the airport. So stay tuned. It's now about 1:30. While I generally eschew, look it up in the dictionary, afternoon coffee these days, I did have a complimentary beverage at the Dunkin' Donuts. Not a sponsor of this vlog, but my preference over the Starbucks empire. But in addition, I noticed I can sip, peel, and win. So let's see if I get my first jackpot of the trip. Let's see what we've won. Any size iced tea for $1. Of course, in my refrigerator is any size iced tea, absolutely free. Let's hope we have better luck heading to the airport here real shortly. See you there. Made it through security by the skin of my teeth. It is good to know that the TSA will catch a large bag of smokehouse almonds. Yep, got my bag searched. But it's okay because I'm clean. And we are about an hour, a little over an hour from the flight. So next time, we'll do a couple of shots from the plane. All right. Made it. We are here at the B gates of Terminal 1, and so it's about time to go pick up my luggage and my lift and head to the Flamingo. We will see you along the way.